The Mitsubishi Eclipse has always been a very sporty coupe, but our new generation GT is far more sophisticated than its predecessors, and we for one welcome the changes. To the exterior that is more sculpted and robust, with more than a passing tribute to Ferrari-like details, to the interior, which maintains a serious driving environment, but with more room, thicker seats, and easier-to-reach controls. To the chassis, where the preferred engine is a 3-liter 24-valve V6 with a broad power band and peak output of 205 horsepower and 205 pound-feet of torque. You can order it with something other than this 5-speed manual transmission, but why would you want to? After 11 months and almost 12,000 miles, we have no serious mechanical ills to report, as this Eclipse is the most trouble-free Mitsubishi product we've ever tested. And even at this late date, test economy is still rising to 25.1 miles per gallon. Efficient and fun too? Well, that's our take to date on the latest Eclipse coupe. Our other sporty long-term coupe is this Oldsmobile Alero GLS. While designed to have considerably more family and friend practicality than the Eclipse, you can actually sit adults in the back seat. This Alero is nevertheless a smooth, willing performer that rewards a good hand at the wheel with impressive quartering response. And very good response is what we had from our GLS Alero with its 3.4-liter 170 horsepower V6 drivetrain. After 10,000 miles, the Alero completes its tour with us, and complaints are few and focused on the driver's seating position and some questionable dash plastic quality. But overall, we were very pleased with the Alero's 24.5 mile per gallon economy, smart looks, and finely balanced ride and handling. In fact, we think Oldsmobile is marketing an excellent trio of affordable front-drive entry-level luxury nameplates: Alero, Intrigue, and this all-new 2001 Aurora. Indeed, we'll soon see how this V8 Aurora copes with our hard-driving crew. And we've driven both this Honda Insight hybrid coupe and this Toyota Tundra pickup hard. And we'll have the results on our next Motorweek long-term road test update.